Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today we're going to do something a little different. It's actually a first time part of the demo series. First off, this is a culinary expedition demo. We are in Estonia. I'm going to attempt the name. I butchered it pretty badly this morning during my morning message. Mulgikapsad. Basically, I'm told within the recipe itself, this is the ultimate sauerkraut dish. Now, the twist here is this is a slow cooker dish. There is some sauteing and just like a normal slow cooker dish, there's some prep that needs to happen beforehand. So let's get to it. Got a pan nice and hot. I'm going to add some onion. We're just going to lightly saute this onion. Now we're going to add carrot. Give this a quick saute. Now we're going to add some cabbage. We're adding cabbage with sauerkraut later. And we're going to give this a quick saute. Okay, now we're transitioning over to the slow cooker. We're going to add the onions, the cabbage, and the carrots. Let's layer this real quick in the bottom. Now comes the sauerkraut. I've got some seared beef. I'm sorry, it's actually pork, not beef. My mistake. Gonna spread those out evenly. Some brown sugar. Bay leaf. And pearled barley. This goes on last. We're gonna spread this around the top. The proportions are up to you. The recipe is a guideline, as you know, one of my favorite things to say. Now that this is all set, we're going to add just enough water to cover the barley. And we're going to cook this on slow and low for about 2 to 3 hours. It's been 3 hours. Let's take a look how the ultimate sauerkraut dish is doing. I just pulled the lid off of the slow cooker, and this is what we have. So I'm going to give it a quick stir. Mix everything together. I'm going to give it some salt. Some pepper. Get that all stirred in. The water level looks really good for the barley, so let's go for another hour to 2 hours. Welcome back, and the final hour and a half has passed on with the slow cooker. Let's take a look. As you can see, the barley's all puffed up and good to go. I'm going to just give this a quick stir, just to let you see what it looks like. On to the next step. And here we have the Estonian ultimate sauerkraut dish. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.